Hello guys, my name is Otto. And I will be assisting Cody and Rodney today as they change the transmission fluid on this 2010 Chevrolet Equinox with a 6-speed trans. So the first thing that you will want to do is take out the drain plug. And for that you will need an 11mm. Cody will be using a wrench. We are not worried about how dirty this fluid is, because Rodney is going to be rebuilding this transmission. As you can see, the drain plug torque specs are 9 foot-pounds. At this point you should go ahead and torque that drain plug, so that you don't forget it, and then you will be done under the car. After that you can move on to the fill cap and check plug. This is the location of the check plug. Let me move to the other side. Remember to have the car level when checking the transmission fluid. And also you will want to make sure that your car is at operating temperature before checking your transmission fluid. Just like the drain plug, the torque specs are 9 foot-pounds on the check plug.
Okay, so what you do is come right down in beside the engine, driver's side.
That, my friend, is a fill cap.
Alright, so there's the cap that you're going to be taking off. And we've got a funnel down in there where it needs to go. And we're going to start filling this transmission up with fluid. I'm going to show you what type of fluid. I'm going to have torque specs and everything here in just a minute.
Okay, so the total fill is 9 quarts, and a refill is 4 to 6 quarts.
Alright, so when you go filling this up, you'll want to use Mobile 1, Synthetic LV, ATF HP. You want to use the fluid that your book recommends. It's Deck 6. Me, I like the Synthetic LV, ATF HP.
Okay, so if you didn't hear Rodney, he said that he likes the Mobile one, in the blue bottle.
So I'm going to add about a pint at a time until I see it running out, and then I'll know that I've got it full. You don't want to add a quart and then have it pouring out down there and lose that quart of transmission fluid. So let's just add a little bit and see what happens.
You should have the engine running at this time and the transmission in park.
Alright, so I ain't got any fluid running out yet. I'm just going to keep adding a pint, half pint at a time until fluid starts coming out of there.
So what is happening is, Rodney is pouring fluid into the fill hole, and I'm waiting on it to come out the check plug hole. That way we will know that the transmission is full.
Alright, that's good.
Okay, we now have this transmission full of fluid. This is Codeman's Auto. Please like and subscribe.